Hi students, today we are going to learn about patterns in Unit 2. In Unit 2, we are going to learn about patterns, but we have already learned these patterns like patterns in shapes, patterns in sounds, and also we have seen about patterns in numbers. But in this chapter, we're going to learn that patterns in numbers in detail. Okay? So we shall see the book exercise now. So the first exercise is observe and complete the patterns in numbers. Okay. So observe and complete the patterns in numbers. Before enter this exercise, I may say you that some keywords here. So rule, arrange, order. Rule, arrange, order. We will be using these three words while we see about the patterns. Okay. So observe and complete the patterns in numbers, which means we want to observe the pattern and complete this given patterns by using numbers. Okay. So first we want to see in which pattern they given in the question. So first we want to see the patterns, which pattern they given. So for finding the patterns, first we want to know what is the difference between the first two given number. Here the first number is 9 and the second number is 8. So what is mean by difference? Difference means subtract. This thing I already told you when I introduced the subtraction and addition part. So addition means total or sum means addition. Difference or leftover means take over, left, difference. These three words indicate subtraction. Okay. So here we want to know the difference between the first two number 9 and 8. What will get 9 minus 8 is 1. So now we want to check whether we add the number 1 or subtract the number 1 from 8 to get the number sorry to from 9 to get the number 8. Okay, so this thing we want to find. Okay, when we get the number 8, when we subtract the number 1 from 9, then only we get the number 8. Yes, so here that and answer of the difference is called the rule. Here the rule is -1. So we want to follow the same rule to complete the whole pattern. Okay, here you should not change that rule. Okay, here that -1 is called rule. So so you want to subtract 1 from every last number. Here the last number is 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we get the last number 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. I already wrote for you. Okay. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. I understand this. Next 2. The second number is 4. Now we want to complete the second pattern. So for completing this pattern, first what we do first we want to know the difference between the first two given numbers. Here the first number is 2 and the second number is 4. So 2 minus 4. So subtraction means we have to subtract the number from the larger number. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here the larger number is 4. Compared to 2, the 4 is larger. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so now we want to check whether we add 2 or minus 2 from 2 to get the number 4. Okay, so here what we do, so when we get the number 4, when we add 2 with 2, then only we get the number 4. So here the rule is 4. here the rule is plus 4. Okay, the rule is plus 4. So we have to follow the same rule to complete the second pattern. Okay, so here we have to add the number 4 with every last of the number. Okay, so the last number is 4. So 4 plus sorry, here the rule is plus 2, because when we add 2 with 2, then only we get the number 4. Okay, sorry, I made mistake. So here the rule is called plus 2. Okay, so you have to uh, add plus 2 with every last number. You should not change the rule to complete the second pattern. Okay, the whole pattern you have to follow the same rule. Okay, so here the last number is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, here the last number is 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. I already done for you. Okay, I understand this. Come to the next one. What is in next? 1, 3, 5. So first, if you want to complete the third pattern, first we want to know what is the difference between 1 and 3. So here the 3 minus 1 is, difference means we want to subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2 here. Okay, so now we want to check whether we add 2 or subtract 2 from 1. Okay, so if we subtract 1 if we subtract 2 from 1, what will happen? We get the 1. Okay, but here in the second number place we have the number 3. So here we have to definitely add 2 with 1, then only we get the number 3. So here the rule is plus 2. Here the rule is plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So next, 2 plus 3 is 5. So 3 plus 5 is, sorry, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Okay, so here the rule is plus 2, not minus 2. Okay, so first you have to observe the order, then only you have to write it. The next exercise is find the rule and complete the patterns. This is also very easy. We're going to follow the same concept to find the rule. Okay, so for completing the pattern, first we want to know the difference between the first two number. Here the first number is 20. Yes, the second number is 21. The difference means we want to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Here 21 minus 20 is, we get 1. Okay, now whether we check whether we add 1 or minus 1 with 20 to get the number 21. Okay, so if we add the number 1 with 20, what will get? 21. Okay, so the resulting number we got. Okay, so here the rule is definitely plus 1. Okay, so we want to add 1 from 1 with every last of the number. So 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. 23 plus 1 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So now I have complete that first pattern by using the rule of plus 1. Okay, so next come to the second pattern. What is the first number? 38. Second number is 37. Here we want to know the rule. What rule they are following here. Okay, so for finding the rule, first we want to subtract the first two given number. That's first number is 38. The second number is 37. So 38 minus 37 is 1. Okay va? So now we want to check whether we add 1 or minus 1 from 38 to get the number 37. Okay, எப்போ வந்து நம்மளுக்கு 37 கிடைக்கும்? When we subtract the number 1 from 38, then only we receive 37. So here the rule is minus 1. We found the rule now. So 38 minus 1 is 37. Here we should follow the same rule to complete the second pattern. Okay, you should not be change the rule. Okay, so 37 minus 1 is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. 35 minus 1 is 34. You have to write the rule at the bottom of the circle. Okay, so 34 minus 1 is 33. 33 minus 1 is 32. Here I mentioned that rule. Okay, so 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 minus 1 is 30. Okay, you follow the same procedure to complete the remaining patterns. So the last 3, it will be a homework for you. Okay. Okay, the next exercise is count and write the numbers of ice sticks and complete the patterns using the rule. Count and write the number of ice sticks and complete the patterns using the rules. Okay, so first find the rule of the pattern, then write it in order. Okay, so here how many ice sticks are given? 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 ice sticks are given. Okay, so write the number 2 in the given box. So next, come to the second. So how many ice sticks are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we have 4 here. So write the number 4. Next, in third, we have 6 ice sticks. So write the number below the figure. Okay, 6. Okay, in the next figure, they are given totally 8 ice sticks. Okay, if you have doubt, you can count and check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally they are given 8 ice sticks. In last, they are not given that ice sticks. This thing we want to find now. Okay, so before that, for completing this pattern, we want to know what is the difference between the first figure and the second figure. Okay, in first we have 2 sticks only. We have 2 ice sticks, but in the second they are given 4 ice sticks. Yes, 4 ice sticks. So we want to know the difference between 2 and 4. Difference means I told you we have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number here. Okay, so compared to 2, the number 4 is larger. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we want to check whether we add 2 or minus 2 to get the second number 4. Okay, so if we subtract the number 2 from 2, we get 0. But in the second place, they are given totally 4 ice sticks. So now add number 2 with 2. What will happen? We get 4. Okay, so here the rule they are following plus 2. Okay, so we want to add plus 2 with every last number. Okay, what is the final number here? 8. Okay, so in the last figure they are given totally 8 ice sticks. So the number is 8. So we want to add the number 2 with the last number of 8 here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so write the number 10 in the box first. First எழுதிட்டு next you can start to draw the ice sticks. Okay va? So now I am drawing the ice sticks, 10 ice sticks. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so now I have complete the first pattern given in the question. Okay, so next the same thing you have to follow for the remaining patterns. Okay. So what is the second? In second they are given 1 2 3 three eye sticks. In next 1 2 3 4 5. So write the number 5 in the given box below. Okay, next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So totally we have 7 eye sticks here. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here in the last they are given 9 eye sticks. Okay, so write the number 9 here. Next, what is next? So we have to complete the pattern. Here they are given the blank space. We want to complete that second pattern by using the eye sticks. Okay, so for completing the pattern, first we want to know the difference between the first two number of eye sticks. Here 5 and 3 we have. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Yes, now we want to check whether we add 2 or uh, minus 2 to get the second number 5. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1, but in the second place we have the number 5. So when we add 2 with 3, then only we get the number 5. So here they are following the rule plus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we want to add 2 with every last of the number. So here in the last place we have the number 9. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So first you have to write the number 11 in the given box below. Then you start to draw the eye sticks, 11 eye sticks. I understand the given pattern. Okay, so this thing you have to follow for finding the rule. Okay, so the last two it will be a homework for you. Okay, next find the rule and write them in each of the pattern given below. Okay, so 41 42. 41 42 means here the blanks circles are given. This place they have allotted uh, as to write the rule. Okay, but I already done for you. You just listen how I have done here. Okay, so rule means we want to know the difference between the first two number 41 42. So 42 minus 41 is 1. So now we want to check whether we add 1 or minus 1 to get the second number 42. இப்போ ஆட் பண்ணாதான் 41 plus 1 தான் 42. 41 minus 1 பண்ணாக்க 14 கிடைக்கும். But in the second place we have the number 42. So add the number 1 with 41. We get 42. So here we should add 1. We have to add each pattern. Okay, ஒன்று வந்து எல்லா நம்பரோடையும் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வரணும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ here the rule is plus 1. Okay, I understand. So you can follow the same method to complete the remaining patterns. It will be a homework. Thank you.